Hi, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make an OR in MCreator. So we want to click on create OR. We want to click on create OR pack. Can you see that at the bottom, create OR pack? You click on that. Or pack name, I'm just going to call it new. But it's not available. So what we need to do, we just need to add an underscore there. This is like the OR pack type. Gem based, that is like an emerald. Dust based is like redstone dust. Ingot based is like an ingot. I'm just gonna do ingot based. Now we want to do the color of the, or I'm gonna do just the red color. I don't know what that means. Or this is like how it like, for example, like how hard it is, I think. I don't know what that is anyway. Just create OR pack. Now have all of this. New ingot, new OR, new block, new OR, block recipe, new OR, block with. This is to make the block, this is to make the ingot. This is like if you have like the whole ore, you can smelt it into an ingot. So now we're just gonna add a armor pack. I'll click on create armor pack. This like the item that you use to craft this thing. This is the armor name. This, you see, this isn't available. So we have to put an underscore here. So now we're just gonna make it red. Okay, this is the power, I think. How much damage it gets, like how much strong it is, I think. So now we have the new armor thing, new armor, new armor recipes. And now we're gonna click on create tool pack. This is the that we use to craft it. We're gonna do the new ingot item. No, I mean the new ingot. And now put an underscore there. Now we want to do it with, so this is how strong it is, I think. And now we have new pickaxe, new axe, new sword, new shovel, new hoe, new pickaxe recipe, new axe recipe, new sword recipe, new shovel recipe, new hoe recipe. Okay, when I click, this is to run Minecraft, you click on this play icon, but these are causing problems. I don't know why. Wait, can I click on properties? Oh, is it because it has this weird space here? Wait, hold up. I think it's good now. Save more element. Now I'm going to click on it. Now it should run Minecraft. Now that I'm in Minecraft, I'm just going to give myself night vision. Give on myself night vision. How much signal? Go. Now my own orchard spawn. Yes, new one's here. Let's go. Now we have new pickaxe, new pickaxe, new axe, new shovel, new hoe. Hold up, I just want to see if these two things actually can. Okay, they actually work. We can do farmer and shovel can do dirt path. Do go there is good. So my question is, can we mine it with this new pickaxe? Yes. Even though it drops it already smelted, it drops it already smelted dough, which I think I think they should fix that. So hope this video helped you. So bye.